In this short tutorial, you will learn how to fix WhatsApp not showing contact name but phone number on Android. This can be confusing and frustrating, especially when you want to see who is messaging you. But don't worry, I have a simple solution that will help you solve it quickly. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you see Apps. Go ahead and tap on that option. In the Apps section, tap on the search button at the top right. Type WhatsApp into this search bar. You should see it appear in the search results shortly after. Select WhatsApp from the search results. Now that you're inside the WhatsApp app info page, tap on Permissions. And here's where we'll check if WhatsApp has access to contacts. Scroll down a bit until you see Contacts. If WhatsApp does not have permission to access contacts, it will only display phone numbers instead of contact names. To fix this issue, simply tap on Contacts and then select Allow. This action grants WhatsApp permission to access your contact list so that it can show names instead of just numbers. Now that you've adjusted that setting, it's time to close the WhatsApp application if it's currently open. Wait for a couple of seconds. This ensures that any changes made are fully applied. And then reopen WhatsApp. Once you've reopened WhatsApp, it should now display your contact names correctly without any issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.